Welcome back. In this lecture, I say how use a middleware authentication or authentication in project. For example, I use in blog and access blog page. We can use blog and use middleware for blog. Open a web.php file. We can use this blog and we can use in other. For a start, I use admin and close blog and say admin blogs. User for access admin blogs is login in Laravel system, and if login we can access the user for access this page. I use all admin page use our middleware authenticate middleware auth. Okay, if user auth in Laravel system can access this page. If refresh, I see this page, and if copy and private new, and if refresh, redirect to a login page. If login and if use this and login, we can access this page. Okay, we can use our DD and use auth user check for access the open blog, and in index we can use DD auth user for check user login. If refresh this page, I can access the user ID new user and email this is, and we can access we can log in other user with us login user by ID, for example search 5, and if refresh and login with this ID and email this. Okay, and we can check us user in page. Remove this, and in view we can access this. Open resource and view and admin and blog. Refresh this to access this and login to access. And in index we can check created at, or we can access delete. If us user and we can use in this for check admin, but in home page or in blog blog page we can change this to for auth user. We can user login it, access this and see this method. For example, I open blog and home controller method blog, and this and user return view index view and index, and I use a for each for repeat all blogs post. I use if method for auth and for check auth user check, and if. Okay, and refresh this page. It is work, and open new private window and open can't see in this post. Okay, I close this and open, close this, close this, close this. I see us routes and route get home. If open routes in close this, in app http controller us. I used this, and for login use this controller. Check authenticate user, and in this protect redirect to route service provider and home method. And if login redirect to home method, and I can change this to index. If login redirect to index. Okay, in constructor middleware guest except logout. Okay, in register controller I use it in mail of register controller in after register redirect to home index, and middleware guest just access this controller and this login register and login page. Validate name, email, password, name required string and maximum this character, email required string email, and unique on user table. For check unique, we can say this name unique in users. For example, and use unique in users. Okay, and remove this. And password required string minimum 8 character, change to 6 character, and confirmed we use it just use it confirmed. If not have confirmed, it is not validate and not create. In this method create a user and return back. I use mail to send it mail to this. Okay, in forget password use send password reset to email. If open ask password and email view, resource view and ask password and email. This is authenticate reset password to email, and log out and use this and login and forget password, this forget password and reset password and root password email and other email. For example, email Tidanande send a password. Okay, wait, we have a email to password reset link. Open and see open mail trap and see reset password notification. Hello, we received email because you received a password Laravel in 60 minutes. Okay, reset password, click and it is work. Email this password, use it this reset password, it is work and login in home page. Okay, I close, I open this and verify. Okay, forget. Okay, reset password, redirect home after reset, use reset password, view as password and reset. In real project I used all this file and say that what work this. Okay, how to use middleware authentication in project. For example, I use in blog and in blog. Okay, use of open the home controller. We can call constructor method for use middleware in all home controller controller. For example, pop function and this constructor, and remove this constructor method and use $this and middleware and use us. If you use us middleware and refresh this, and I log in it in this refresh and use new private. Okay, if log in blog in refresh and in about and login page, redirect to login page. We can use accept method for only or accept method. We can use only for just one method. Index middleware all authenticate blog about content page without just only index. In if blog it is work in blog and in about and in index is welcome. Okay, we can change to blog and if refresh and blog redirect to this. We can use method accept. We can this accept, use this, use blog, use about, about. Okay, in refresh blogs we can see blog, we can see about, we can't see content, contact, redirect to login